check out Sanjay's album, lots of great songs. Now let's see what made the Intense 5. One of Jamaica's most interesting DJs has died. Gollibop passed away at KPH earlier this week. He's definitely an artist no one will forget. The UK Embassy is in a good mood. It looks alright. So the fireman Capleton recently got his visa reinstated and is heading out on a 22-city tour. Blaze it up, fireman. We're happy for you. If you're a fan of Friends, then Matthew Perry's death was a shocker. The star was found unresponsive in a hot tub. First responders say his death could have been caused by a heart attack. Oh no. So this should be number 2 and number 1. The 5.6 earthquake. What was that? Look here now. It shook we, shake we. Huh. And finally holding the spot this week. The videos that surfaced. Sean Paul running out of an interview, the Mitchells going from gospel to a few choice words, and Cliffview's desk dive. No sir, there was damage to a few buildings, but luckily no one was hurt. Everybody just please keep safe, okay? Trust me, it's not easy, but keep safe. But that's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for the latest in entertainment. Up next, Richie chats to Lady Keys. We'll move forward.